Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a quick review on the three major indices. Let's start with S&P 500. So last week I was talking about that it need to at least clear this last low, which is around 56.67, and you can see that barely it actually went up a little bit compared to last week, right? It at least make the move from bouncing from the trend support right here at 5500, went up to test, but then it did not really break above it. So let's do a quick and you can see what's interesting is that is this line matches with this low right here, also matches with this high, and then the other points here from the last year. So right now I'm thinking within a week it doesn't pass this line, we're gonna go back to 5500, and most likely we'll go down here to 5400 for this line, right? So these are the things that we want to watch. Another point is that because if it does not break this 56.67, it actually making the bear flag. You can see that, and also is making, let me draw another one, but this not descending but ascending triangle, which is bearish. So let's take this out. So we're gonna draw the lines right here, from here on here. So most likely it might be going like this around the orange line and then break down. Okay, so test this and then maybe another low to 5400. So I would say the next week and a couple of weeks it will be critical, and maybe it will light up just at around April 2nd when Trump gonna enact his other decision about tariff. Maybe that's gonna be in store, and that's when it's gonna break down. Who knows? But the range is gonna be 57, 75, and 5500 for the next couple weeks. Okay, now let's go to Nasdaq. Okay, so last week we were right here. So right here at 19,700, and it's close 19,753. So it did not really move much, basically move sideways, because I told you from last week that it's really close to this resistance. So most likely it will go sideways. So it kind of did, and just like S&P 500 is making bear flag and ascending triangle. So again, for the next week or so, I expect it to move sideways from, let's say, 19,500 to about 20,000. So sideways or most likely down. There is also another probability that it might go up to here, right? And it's about 20,275. Okay, 71, 72. So this might be when it's trying to break this resistance, but it's hitting another major resistance, which is, I draw it from all the way from 2023 and from 23-22 all the way up here. So I'm not surprised if it's going this way, but it looks like it has a lot of resistance ahead. So that's for us to watch. Next, gonna look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones actually look a little bit better. So it looked like it did break a little bit, right? Compared to, this is last week, right? At 41,465, and now is 41,985. So it's actually did a little bit better and move a little bit compared to Nasdaq, but still it need to break it. Also still bear flat. It need to break above 42 right here. So 42,500 is when I expect to turn around. But if not, it's most likely will go down from here down to 4,100 in the week. So we got 42,500 and 41,000. So about 1,500 move range. Well, for me, most likely, right, due to the other two, most likely we might have a little bit of an upside very slightly, or sideways for all three indices. So there you have it. Hopefully, you have done your diligence looking at your chart and strategy. But I don't see much happening next week. But the week after, I think there's gonna be a lot of movement right after April 1st. April 1st, April Fool, so be careful on that day. But April 2nd will be gonna be an opening of a bigger moves. So we will revisit next week. Thanks everybody for watching. Please leave it a like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment to what you think about it, and see you in the next video.